Hello, nice to meet with all of you. So my name is Ghazy and Largo. I'm gonna present my research that I've been conducted. For the title of my research is the impact of technological advance on the development of digital marketing on TikTok. For my background of my research, one of the impacts of globalization that occurs is technological globalization, where this technological globalization makes humans exchange technology with one another. This technology exchange led to significant technological developments compared to before, due to new ideas and innovation that had not been thought of before. Over time, the digital marketing process has become one of the important keys in marketing carried out by business. So for the problem of my research in the digital era where companies and business people are starting to enter the digital direction and doing marketing in business by means of digital marketing. Technology is an aspect that must be considered, especially the development of technology will have an impact on the digitalization process in digital marketing. And for my research question, the first one is how can technology affect the development of digital marketing? And for the second question is does digital marketing need technological developments? And for my research methodology, the research strategy taken by me is a case study since I'm able to explore the involvement between technological developments in the context of digital marketing developments and to be able to find out whether digital marketing developments require technological developments. I'm also doing this research by using secondary source of data. And let's talk about AIDA framework. AIDA is a well-known framework for marketing and advertising that describes the steps a customer takes while making a purchase. AIDA stands for attention, interest, desire, and action, and it was created in 1898 by American advertising and sales pioneer Elmo Lewis. From the moment a potential consumer first notices a product or service until they complete a purchase. Each stage symbolizes a step that marketers hopes to lead them through. The four crucial steps a consumer goes through in the path from initial awareness to ultimate purchase are outlined by the enduring and frequently used AIDA model. And the next one is the discussion of my research. The AIDA model is a marketing framework that describes the stage a consumer goes through prior to making a purchase. This concept is very helpful for comprehending how to employ contemporary digital platforms such as TikTok for efficient marketing. TikTok is a great case study for using the AIDA framework because of its distinctive characteristic and user dynamics. TikTok is a social media platform that has experienced rapid growth over the past few years, especially among young people. TikTok allows users to create interesting short videos with various filters, music, and effects available. In recent years, TikTok has also become a very popular digital marketing platform for businesses. TikTok provides marketers with a level playing field when it comes to reach and engagement, unlike social media platforms such as Instagram or YouTube. TikTok accounts with 0 followers can get millions of views on a new video thanks to the viral nature of the algorithm. TikTok users are increasingly rapidly because this application is increasingly popular. Many business people or marketers use TikTok to build brand awareness. One of the example of the success product in TikTok is TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop is a new feature in TikTok application, officially launched in April 2020. TikTok Shop has become very popular among e-commerce business and customers who often shop online because this application provides an attractive and easy interface for product marketing and purchasing products. The background of this research is because TikTok Shop is get viral so fast as a new e-commerce media and can even run in parallel other e-commerce Therefore, this research purpose for knowing why this e-commerce can quickly viral and be used by many people. Furthermore, it can compete with other e-commerce and become the choice of business people and customer in conducting business process. Another successful product is live TikTok, since it offers a unique blend of authenticity, interactivity, and real-time feedback, which can profoundly influence purchasing decision. Unlike static reviews on website or social media posts, live streams allows viewers to witness products in action, ask questions, and receive immediate response from creators. This direct interaction fosters trust and transparency, as viewers can gauge the authenticity of the review and make informed decision based on the present's genuine experience. Moreover, the dynamic nature of live streams create a sense of urgency and excitement, driving engagement and potentially sparking impulse purchase. However, traditional review platforms still hold value, particularly for an in-depth analysis. And move to the IDEA model. The IDEA model's initial step is to get the customer attention. TikTok's captivating and algorithm-driven content distribution make it exceptional at this. By creating a tailored stream of movie based on user interaction, the platform For You page makes sure that the context is both extremely relevant and engaging. Generating interest is the next step after gaining attention. TikTok's inventive and varied content forms make this possible. To make captivating videos, brands can make use of a variety of tools, including music, effects, and filters, making an emotional connection with the audience and convincing them that they require the good of service is the goal of the desired stage. Influencers have the ability to present goods in a genuine and approachable manner, which instill confidence and desire in their followers. TikTok drives users to take action by fostering a highly interactive and participatory environment. Users are encouraged to like, comment, share, and create videos, contributing to the app's dynamic ecosystem. And for my conclusion, that can be drawn from the result of my research that have been conducted by my research, is that there is a relationship between technological development and digital marketing developments. And this research examines the profound influence of technical progress on the development of digital marketing, especially emphasizing the role of TikTok. The research employs the IDEA framework to examine the impact of these developments on marketing techniques. The results demonstrate a strong association between technological advancement and the expansion of digital marketing, influenced by factors such as increasing popularity of social media platforms.